So today we are going to display a random number using a 4-digit 7-segment LED display. So for that we need a 4-digit 7-segment, Raspberry Pi 3B plus, VGA to HDMI cable converter for displaying on monitor, adapter, USB connection for mouse and keyboard. Along with that we need a jumper wires, a female to female. Now see the connection. Use this 4-digit 7-segment. As we know, 4 digit 1 2 3 4 7 segment, each digit divided into 7 segment, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in the middle, like this. Now in back side we have CLK, DIO, VCC and a ground. So this pin we have to connect to your Raspberry Pi. For VCC we use a pin number 4. For ground we use a pin number 6. So let's start with the connection. VCC connect to your pin number 4. Ground is connected to your pin number 6. Now rest of the others, CLK we use a board method to connect this as a pin number 16, and for BCM it will be pin number 23. So pin number 16 will be sure pin number should be proper, 8 10 12 14 16. A pin number 16 to connect your DIO connection, the digital input output. Now we run the program. Okay, start with, in our previous video we display the time on your 4-digit 7-segment LED display. Now we are displaying a 4 random digit on our 4-digit 7-segment display device. For that, before start with the program, we have to open a terminal. So click on this black icon. After opening terminal, we have to use pinout to get to know a structure of your Raspberry Pi, which is like this. USB port are there, Ethernet cable, HDMI port, power, and number of information is also provided, that is RAM, storage, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Along with that, they are providing the pinout for Raspberry Pi. Total 40 pins are there, 1 2 3 4 like that. If you are going to use a mode as a board mode, so we are going to use a number in a sequence, pin number 1 2 3 4 5, for providing the connection to your devices. Another method is called as BCM, and that BCM is nothing but uh, using your GPIO2, GPIO3, that green highlight number. So as per the program mode, we are going to use these pin numbers to provide the instruction to your devices. Now to perform this practical, we need to download a file called as TM1637 module. So we are going to use wget https colon double slash raspberry pi tips dot nl slash files slash tm1637.py. After press enter, the file is downloaded in a particular location. It might be around 4 to 5 MB. Now it is updated, that's why it is a 685 KB. To check it out the file is downloaded or not, you go to your home py, you will get tm1637.py file is available. Now come to the terminal. So here we are get to know file is downloaded. Now open our program for random digit display. To start with, we use import random module to use a random number generation, import a time to delay the number of output, import date time, import rpi.gpio as a GPIO. So we are going to passing instruction through this general purpose input output. We use a TM1637 which is downloaded right now. From TM1637 we are importing the class that is TM1637. Now we created the object called display equal to TM1637 dot class name as a capital TM1637 passing a parameter as 2324 TM1637 dot bright underscore TPL, where the 23 and 24 is a connection for your a CLK and DIO which is available on your 4-digit 7 segment, and this mode is used as a BCM mode. Now we use a clear function to clear our display. Display set brightness to a 1. Now we use a while to execute number of times the random number should be generated. The first number, that is first digit, will be created through n1 equal to random dot rand int, that is random integer value from 1 to 9. Then as it is the first digit, that's why it is a 1 to 9. n2 equal to for next number random dot rand int 0, 9. For third number again random dot rand int 0, 9, and fourth number that is random dot rand int 0, 9. Now we are creating the particular format to pass to that display object. So current value will be in the form of list n1, n2, n3, n4. Now we use display dot show passing as a parameter current value. Now use a time dot sleep to delaying our uh, or specifying the interval between the two random numbers. Now save the program using 4 underscore seg underscore random underscore number dot py and run. As 4 random numbers is generated, so randomly different number are generated on your 4-digit 7 segment display. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.